Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to fix haptics not working on any iPhone. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on sounds and haptics. From here, just tap on haptics. Now if it is on never play or do not play in silent mode, just select always. After you do that, then go back and from here just tap on ringtone. Then tap on haptics, just select any vibration pattern which you like. Now after you do that, then go back to the main settings page and tap on accessibility. Tap on touch and from here you will find the option of vibration. Now if this option is disabled on your iPhone, all the vibrations on your iPhone will be disabled. So make sure you enable this option. After you enable the vibrations on your iPhone, then go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then go to Settings and tap on General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. Now from this menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN. Then tap on Reset All Settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the settings on your iPhone. In case if you have enabled a setting on your iPhone which might be causing the haptics not working issue. Now if you have done all that and if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix haptics not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.